Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood tech nerd, Alfonzito, back at it again. Today, we're tackling a problem that plagues Mac users everywhere. A sluggish, laggy, downright frustratingly slow computer. Raise your hand if your once speedy MacBook now takes an eternity to launch apps, feels like it's wading through molasses when you open Chrome, and throws beach balls more often than a surfer in Hawaii. Yeah, I feel you. But before you throw your Mac out the window, please don't, it's still valuable. Let's try some simple fixes that might get your machine purring like a kitten again. Common culprits. First things first, let's identify the suspects. Memory hogs, rogue processors, and outdated software can all be major slowpokes. So, here's what we'll do. 1. Memory check. Open Activity Monitor and see what's guzzling your RAM. Quit any apps you're not using, especially memory-hungry ones like video editors or Photoshop. Pro tip, close those 20 Chrome tabs you swear you need. 2. Process patrol. Sometimes, hidden processes run in the background, draining your resources. Use the Force Quit window to identify and terminate any suspicious culprits. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so only quit things you're sure about. 3. Software sleuth. Outdated software can be buggy and bloated, slowing down your Mac. Check for updates for macOS, your apps, and even plugins like Flash. Keeping everything current can make a world of difference. Bonus tips. Okay, we've tackled the big three, but let's sprinkle in some extra magic. Startup Slimdown. Prevent unnecessary apps from launching at startup. Go to System Preferences, Users and Groups, Login Items and uncheck the boxes of apps you don't need immediately. This speeds up the login process and frees up resources. Disk Detective. A cluttered hard drive can slow things down. Use Disk Utility to check for disk errors and optimize your storage. Free up space by deleting old files and unused apps. Every megabyte counts. Launchpad Purge. We all have that one app we haven't used in years, yet it's taking up prime real estate on your Launchpad. Take a ruthless approach and remove any apps you don't use or recognize. A clean Launchpad is a happy Launchpad. Mac Boost, the mechanic in your pocket. Now, for some extra horsepower, let's introduce Mac Boost. Think of it as a pit crew for your Mac, identifying and resolving performance issues with a few clicks. It can scan for hidden junk files, optimize memory usage, and even uninstall stubborn apps. It's like having a tech-savvy genie in your pocket, granting you wishes for a faster Mac. Disclaimer: I'm not saying Mac Boost is a magic bullet, but it can be a valuable tool in your Mac optimization arsenal. Remember, prevention is key, so try the free fixes first and see if they work. But if you're at your wit's end, Mac Boost might be the knight in shining armor you need. Wrap up and CTA. So, there you have it, folks. These simple fixes and Mac Boost can give your sluggish Mac a much-needed shot of adrenaline. Remember, a little proactive maintenance goes a long way in keeping your computer running smoothly. If you have any other tips or tricks, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more techie goodness. Until next time, stay curious, stay nerdy, and keep your Macs purring. Outro. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're ever stumped by a tech problem, just remember, Alfonzito is always here to help. Now, go forth and conquer that slowpoke Mac.